Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to be talking about the Hello Dear Friend All-Inclusive Card Kit. For those that follow me, know that I love the Paper Pumpkin because it is an all-inclusive kit. So is this. It's on page 6 of the January to June mini catalog. It's really neat. This one has got, you can make 12 cards with it. Everything you need is in the kit. So it's absolutely perfect if you want to give it as a gift, or if maybe you want to do some stamping, but you don't want to invest in a whole bunch of stuff. You don't have a lot of room to store things, and you just want something you can whip up 12 cards, and you can use them for whatever you want. So inside there is a little brochure that shows you everything you need to know to make the 4 different card designs. There's a list of contents in here, and the kit includes the 7 photopolymer stamps. They say, "You make my heart smile," "A day to remember," "Thank you," "Just a little note," and "Hello dear friend." So you can use these greetings to say anything you want. Just a little note, and on the inside you write, "To wish you happy birthday," or something like that. So that's the stamps. It comes with a Misty Moonlight Stampin' Spot. There's also your clear acrylic stamp block, which you use to put your photopolymer stamps on. So it really is all inclusive. If you wanted to give this as a gift to somebody who doesn't currently craft or make cards, everything they need is in the kit. There's 12 printed card bases. So these are the card bases here. These ones would fold up in half like that. So it's just a nice little note card. There's that one. And then there's this one. And you could use it this way up if you wanted to, however you wanted to use it. And the envelopes that go with them. And then we have the other card bases. This is one card base. This beautiful little watercolor on there. And then, isn't that lovely? Just the leaves, nice and simple, and then you dress it up how you want within the kit. And those are the envelopes to go with them. So there's the 12 printed card bases and 12 printed envelopes. And now we have the printed die cuts. Those are gorgeous. And you get 3 sheets of those ones. And then you get a sheet of leaves as well that you can punch out and use to decorate. And these are the copper foil die cuts. They're made of vellum. And they're already pre-cut, so you would just lift them out and use them on your cards. Now with vellum, it is possible to see the adhesive dots through them. So try when you're sticking them down to put the glue dot under where you're already going to have an embellishment, so that they don't show through. And then we have some copper cord. They put it inside a little plastic. So we've got the copper cord that you can use to decorate with. There are Stampin' Dimensionals. So that's how you're going to pop up your greetings in that. And then, of course, the adhesive Stampin' Dots. So, as I said, it's all inclusive. Everything you need is in here. And then there's your the die cuts that you can stamp the greetings onto. One thing that I saw that was really neat was when you punch these out, of course, you've got your greeting, but you've also got this negative space, and you could put that down and you could sponge over that and then use it to decorate another card. I'm going to do a video on that as soon as I find the source that I saw doing that, because I want to give credit. So, and then of course you've got the storage box. So you can create 12 cards. Everything you need is in the box. You can store them back in the box if you like, to have them ready to give out. You can put your address book in the box. You can put your stamps in, like your mailing, your postage stamps in the box, so that you've got everything you need in one place. So that is the all-inclusive Hello Dear Friend card kit. The item number is 154573, and that is available in the January to June mini catalog. It's one of the first things that you'll see. So I hope that you have enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will be making the cards from the kit. And then I hope you have fun with the kit and that you are inspired to give it as a gift or to use it for yourself. If you would like to purchase the kit, please use the link below and it'll take you right to my website. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.